Hello, I'm Karen Salingasa and welcome to Think Visa. If you want to get updated on Australian immigration news or learn about Australian immigration opportunities, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. The worst thing that could happen to any visa applicant is to get visa refusal after so much time, effort, and money you put in. You may ask, can I apply for another one? Should I appeal my case? Or should I get a sponsor to have this visa granted? It is normal to ask these questions, but don't give up easily, because there are a lot of things or steps you can do if you got a visa refusal. And in today's video, we will discuss the steps you could take or you could try after getting one. First step is identify and understand the reason behind your visa refusal. So whenever an applicant gets a visa refusal, the department will notify them with a note or document stating the reason of this refusal. So the applicant must understand the reason behind this verdict. It will help them to identify what are their next move. So primarily, you need to evaluate whether this visa refusal is non-character related case or a character related case. For non-character related cases, it involves incorrect information or false information upon your application. So this is a common reason for a visa refusal, and most of the time, the department will not prevent you to apply for another visa in the future if you have this kind of visa refusal. Another reason for a visa refusal is character-related one. So this means that you fail the character requirement for Australia. So although this is not impossible to overcome, however, this is hard to resolve as it involves detention or denial of entry in Australia. So after you identify the reason behind your visa refusal, the second step is to apply for a bridging visa as soon as possible. If you are currently living in Australia and have a visa refusal, you need to immediately apply for a bridging visa to avoid being an illegal immigrant in the country. So the bridging visa E or BVE will give you a room to either apply for another visa, appeal the visa refusal, or organize your departure from Australia. So the best thing you can do is to ask assistance from migration agents or experts, as they can help you process your bridging visa while simultaneously monitor your case or your appeal case. Remember that every second is essential in this kind of situation, which is why it is a wise decision to ask help from these migration agents or experts. The third step you could take is to find the best pathway with the help of migration agents or experts. It is essential to note that visa refusal does not mean the end of your migration journey. That's why there are a lot of available migration options that will perfectly fit you or your situation. Therefore, talking with immigration experts or agents is very important, as they could review your case at the same time present you with a personalized migration pathway. In this way, you can move on to the next level without any hesitation or doubt. Fourth step is to lodge an appeal or reapply your visa application. This step will depend on the nature or reason for your visa refusal. So some cases will only ask applicants to reapply and fill out the correct information in their visa application. However, most cases of visa refusal will need to appeal with the Administrative Appeals Tribunal or AAT. It doesn't matter whether it's lodged onshore or offshore, applicants can still appeal their case. To appeal, you can either apply online or send a paper application with AAT. However, you must remember that requests for a case appeal are limited. And if you miss the deadline, there will be no other ways to appeal. That's why it is essential to talk to a person or people who are expert on this process or knowledgeable on this process. That's why migration agents or experts could help you properly appeal your case. As I mentioned earlier, they will review your case and give you the best option to move forward. Receiving a visa refusal and trying to overturn it can be very stressful for applicants. First, you must know the conditions and circumstances of your case before you decide to take action on it. So if you or a friend of yours has been in the same position, you can contact us at Think Visa, as with more than a decade of experience, we help a significant number of clients with this migration hurdle. That is why I can assure you that you are in good hands as we move forward with your case. If you have any migration inquiries or questions, you can leave a comment below or you can contact us through this given information. This is it for now. Stay safe and catch you in our next video.